Welcome to Crucial Minds. Want to master the 4 types of past tense and speak English like a pro? In just a few seconds, you'll understand them all clearly. Let's get started. When we talk about the past in English, there are 4 main types of past tense. First is the simple past. We use it for actions that are completely finished in the past. For example, I watched a movie. Next is the past continuous. This is used for actions that were happening at a specific in the past. For example, I was watching a movie at 7 p.m. Then comes the past perfect. We use this when one action was completed before another action in the past. For example, I had watched the movie before dinner. Finally, we have the past perfect continuous. This tells an action that was continuing for some time before another past action. For example, I had been watching the movie for 2 hours before dinner. Now, let's start with the simple past. Question number 1. I dash to the park yesterday. I went to the park yesterday. Question number 2. She dash a movie last night. She watched a movie last night. Question number 3. They dash cricket 2 days ago. They played cricket 2 days ago. Question number 4. He dash his school in 2020. He finished his school in 2020. Question number 5. We dash pizza last Sunday. We ate pizza last Sunday. Next, let's move on to the past continuous. Question number 1. I dash TV at 5 p.m. yesterday. I was watching TV at 5 p.m. yesterday. Question number 2. She dash homework when I called. She was doing homework when I called. Question number 3. They dash for the exam all night. They were studying for the exam all night. Question number 4. He dash to school when it rained. He was going to school when it rained. Question number 5. We dash football yesterday evening. We were playing football yesterday evening. Now, let's look at the past perfect. Question number 1. I dash my homework before dinner. I had finished my homework before dinner. Question number 2. She dash home before 8 p.m. She had reached home before 8 p.m. Question number 3. They dash the classroom before the bell rang. They had entered the classroom before the bell rang. Question number 4. He dash food before I arrived. He had eaten food before I arrived. Question number 5. We dash practice before the match. We had done practice before the match. Finally, let's understand the past perfect continuous. Question number 1. I dash for 2 hours before the break. I had been studying for 2 hours before the break. Question number 2. She dash since morning before lunch. She had been reading since morning before lunch. Question number 3. They dash for 3 hours before they stopped. They had been playing for 3 hours before they stopped. Question number 4. He dash for a long time before the call. He had been working for a long time before the call. Question number 5. We dash for 1 hour before it rained. We had been waiting for 1 hour before it rained. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.